Hello, my friends. Are you studying for the English exam?
Yes, do you want to study in a group?
Of course, can we meet in a video conference room? I am sick and I can't be there.
Okay, it's a good idea. Please help me because I have bad grades and I think I don't pass this exam. I want to go out with my boyfriend next weekend.
Oh my god, it's terrible. Don't worry, we will help you.
Yes, I am good in English class, so I can help you. It took me 2 weekends to get over that I passed English level 8 with the teacher Juan Eduardo.
Wow, he's my teacher now also. I get to know myself. I won't pass the exam without your help. Thanks, girl.
Of course, can we use Zoom for the meeting?
Okay, let me get home and we can start the meeting. I am in the drugstore.
Okay, I will start the video conference room with Tania.
I'm sorry, we can start at 6 p.m. I need to get through my homework because I get used to study after dinner.
Okay, Tania.
75 years later.
Okay, let's start. What is the most difficult topic for you?
I would like you get around to give me examples about be supposed to, please. I don't remember this topic very well.
Me too. I need help with the same topic. I get the feeling that I won't pass the English exam. But anyway, I don't get it.
Oh, don't worry. If you study this topic a lot, you should pass your exam.
Wait a moment, please. I need to get out of the place because it's very noisy. I'll find quiet place for study.
5 minutes later.
I'm ready now.
Okay. I remember that be supposed to has different meaning. For example, rules, opinions, expectation, and where.
Yes, I will give you an example about rules. You're not supposed to drink alcohol in the classroom. It's a rule because you can do it. Can you give me other examples about rules?
Okay, I can do it. I'm not supposed to copy in the English exam.
It's correct.
Yeah, Tanya. Can you give me examples about expectations? I don't remember this topic.
Alright, in this case, the expectation means describe some things that should be done or should have be done. Example, the bus was supposed to come 5 minutes ago.
Okay, I think so. I get away with another topic. How about an example about an opinion? And this doesn't an explanation. The government is supposed to have promised to protect its states.
Jenny, can you to give me an example with expectation?
Well, I can give you another example with expectation. Probably I am supposed to be in school at 7 a.m. Is it okay?
Perfect, very good, Jenny. And you, Andy?
Maybe they were supposed to win in a soccer game yesterday.
It's correct. Thanks, Andy.
I remember this topic again. Thanks, Tanya.
Thanks, Tanya. It's easy now, but he have to continue.
Yeah, now samples with weather. It's very easy.
Could be it is supposed to be windy in summer.
Wait a moment. Do you always use it when you speak about weather?
Of course, because it is a thing.
Okay. Maybe my example is it's supposed to be sunny in January.
Could we get off the video conference room soon? Maybe at 9 o'clock. I need to do my homework.
Yes.
Alright, could you give me an example about opinion? And this is
Nice. Well, my example is magic isn't supposed to exist.
Cool. The example probably is I've never been here, but the restaurant is supposed to be really good.
yeah, girls. And now that you know about the topic, we're supposed to get going to finish your home.
Thanks for connecting. Bye.
Thanks, girl. Now I'm ready for the exam.
Cool. See you. Good luck with your exam.